Design to implementation of solar structure roll forming machine. In a world seeking clean and sustainable energy, solar structures play a key role. But how are these structures manufactured? Behind every sturdy structure lies a meticulously engineered process. In this video, join us to see how a solar structure is formed from design to production. Everything starts with an idea and a design. Using specialized software, our engineering team designs profiles that are both robust and optimized for quick and easy installation. At this stage, details such as the type of punch, exact dimensions, and final assembly method are reviewed. After the profile has been finalized and precisely designed, the next important step is tooling, the construction of the molds that transform the raw materials into functional projects. These molds, most commonly known as face forming or roller molds, are custom engineered using CNC machining to match the exact specifications of the designed profile. Since the success of mass production depends heavily on the accuracy of these molds, a very high level of precision is required in their construction. High-strength tooling is typically used, and in many cases, the parts are heat-treated to improve durability and wear resistance, especially for high-volume production runs. Once the molds are built, they are carefully installed on the roll-forming line, where alignment is key. Each roller must be precisely positioned to ensure smooth, uniform, and worry-free forming. The line is then connected to its electrical and control systems, including PLC, HMI communication and sensor networks, to monitor and control speed, length, punching, and cutting. The final stage involves a comprehensive test using a sample of coil material to check alignment, profile quality, and overall system performance. We are with you every step of the way from design to delivery. If you are looking for high-precision, industrial-quality solar structures, contact us.